children our future. Teach them well to let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty that possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody searching for a hero. People need someone to look to. Never found anyone you fulfill my needs. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all, it's happening to me. I found the greatest to love all inside of me. The greatest love of all. It's easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself. It is the greatest love of all. I believe the children's are a future. Teach them well to let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty that's possessed inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all, it's happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all. It's easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself. It is the greatest love of all. And if by chance a special place you've been dreaming of, lead you to a lonely place, or find yourself in Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
Grabe ka, Daniel Padilla. Ay, Daniel Padilla. Sorry, nalito
Uy,
ako.
wag. Wala sa akin ang lahat.
Ay, inayos! Ayan, grabe. Inaano ka daw ba? Bakit ka nananakit ng mga bata? Ay, mali. Di pala bata. Sorry. Yan. So, first Mark, no? Siguro di ko na mapatagalin to. Sino ang gusto mong mag-judge sa iyong choice of song ngayong gabi. Dahil huwag kang magkakamali. Pag naturo mo si Ace, magagalit sa'yo. Pag tinuro mo si Ma'am Aika, dali ka. Pag tinuro mo naman si Madam Sushi, mas dali ka. Oo. Kaya mo piliin mo mabuti.
Kay Sir Ace na lang po.
Ah,
Madam
sorry,
Aika,
sorry.
Madam.
Natatakot kay Ma'am Aika.
Madam,
Kay Sir Ace ang gusto.
Ayun.
Wow. So, ayun. Judge Ace, go.
How's your performance? If ever ikaw yung mag-evaluate ng kinanta mo ngayon.
Wait, hindi ko po narinig. Wait lang pala, kasang ko po. Ayun, sige po.
Wala siya.
Wait.
Nice lang. Sorry.
Narinig mo yan, di ba?
Yung, ano pa ulit po nung ano?
It's like,
How's-
are you satisfied with your performance?
Are you satisfied with your performance today? Tonight, rather.
Yes po. Opo.
Yes.
Is that-
Because for me, it's very impressive and perfect. Kasi alam ko naman na sumasali ka na sa mga contest. Then, siguro, yung kanta din, unexpected, sabi mo nga secret. So, isa din yan sa, kumbaga, parang favorite song ko eh. Then, yung originality mo, binigyan mo ng twist, di ba? Alam mo yun, nakikita mo siguro yan. Then, kaya ko siya sinabing impressive kasi hindi ko pa naririnig yung iba. Parang, for me lang, may nanalo na. Okay? For me, may nanalo na.
No, papayag.
That's all.
Yeah.
Madam.
No, papayag.
Okay, di daw papayag si Ma'am Aika. Nagdadabog.
Sige po, madam.
Tanggigilang ka niyan,
Tatanggapin ko po kung ano po yung sasabihin niyo po sa akin ngayon, tatanggapin ko po.
Ayan. It's a perfect score naman
Hindi mo
daw.
kasi ako pinili.
For Ace or Judge Ace.
Hindi mo kasi ako pinili eh.
Willing ba si
Ala.
Madam Aika na mag-judge?
Hindi niya ako pinili.
Go, ma'am. Sige.
Ayoko na pinagpipilitan yung sarili.
Ay. Kasi hindi pinili nila. Yun. Patay tayo dyan.
Ayun, unang-una po sa lahat, pinapasalamatan ko po ayan ang ating naggagandaan at naggagwapuang mga judges, pati ang ating mga hosts. At maraming salamat po. Thank you very much talaga kay Grandma, kay Grandpa, ayan, kay Madam, kay Sir,
Ayan.
at kay Sir Jason, Sir Jason, kay Ate Shane, kay Rusty. Thank you guys sa pag-support sa akin, kila H, ayan, mga nasa baba. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isa kasi ang dami. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Eya, ayan, Eliza, ayan. Maraming salamat guys at sa bumubuo ng buong Infinite Us Agency, ayan. Thank you very much. Representing Rising Phoenix, Chris Mark, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you very much.
Yes, ayan. Thank you so much, Chris Mark, for a wonderful song and
Thank you po.
wonderful speech for them, no? Ayan, so, grabe,
Oo.
mukhang dinadasalan ka ng mga tao dito. Ewan ko ba sa kanila? Ayan, so Chris Mark, again, thank you so much and I will bring you down na. So, again, thank you so much. Yeah.